Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and today we are gonna make a video of MM2, but I'm gonna speak Tagalog. So one of you here is from Philippines or know how to speak Tagalog, so you guys should understand what I'm saying. Subtitles can be edited in the settings. So the round is starting, and oh my god, I hate being sheriff on this map. It's really big. Oh guys, and I'm here to tell you that I'm sorry for not posting because I've been busy in school today. So I'm sorry if I'm not posting for you guys because I'm really busy. Look at the speech bowls. If you guys know how to fling in here in the pool, I do know how to fling, but it gets more ridiculous because I do know how to fling myself here. Okay. Oh my god. I thought he was the murd. Okay, I got the gun. No. I'm thinking who's the murd here. It's really being suspicious. Really suspicious. Like the people coming around me, they're really suspicious. Let's go inside. What if the murder is AFK and oh my god. Shit. I knew it was her. I knew it was her, guys. Oh my god. I suck. Okay, so we were not speaking Tagalog in that round, but today we're gonna speak Tagalog. So, or Bisaya, yeah. So, yung current round is 1 minute na lang. So, maghintay pa tayo. Alam niyo kung paano mag-ano ng Tagalog, di ba? Subtitles can be edited in settings po. So, bahala na kayo dun. So, for my fans, for my subscribers, I really want to give... Wait. I really want to give you guys my other weapons. See, it's a little bit a lot, but I'm gonna give it to you. One of you, only one fan. So I'm gonna watch this, and I'm gonna give it to you guys. Oh, it's floating. Huy, yung float yun, oh. Teka. Nakita ko. Teka, doon na tayo sa taas. New friend nila doon. Hindi ko lang si GD at si DD at si Dylan. Si Dylan at si Joven. So guys, nag-floating yung map. Floating yung map. So ang tagal pa. Ayun. Sayang kung maging sheriff. Namatay ulit ako. Sinabi ko na bang siya yun eh. Si drama queen. Hate ko ng house to. Maliit lang kasi liit yung mat space niya dun. So I'm choosing this one. I'm sorry dude, but choosing ko ato dude. Bahala ka tira. Bestie, you could have killed me for free. Oh my god, are these two? Oh my god. Parang teamers sila, oh. Diba? Teka. May isang tao sa taas. At di ko makita yun. Oh my god. Nag-try sila ng team, guys. Tapos natalo ko yung isang teamer. Well, finally, kasi ayaw ko ng mga teamers eh. Ayaw ko ng mga teamers. Super annoying nila, guys. Ayaw ko ng mga teamers. Malapit na mag 3 AM. Oh my God. Natalo ko yung teamers. Buti nga sila kasi bawal mag-team eh. Fair is fair, bawal mag-team. Kahit bestie sila, bawal yan. Pero sa akin, bawal po. Nung una, hindi ko pa alam kung okay ba yung mag-team, kung ano ba, bad ba yan. Na ano ko lang, na alam ko na kung bakit ayaw mag-team kasi it will make people mad. So, yun ang I stop teaming kasi nung una kong naglaro ng internet team kasi ako eh sa aking big friend ko. So, sabi daw niya team tayo. Tagalog din siya, guys. Sabi niya team tayo. So, sana ko, ano yan. Kung ikaw yung murd, wag hindi mo ako patayin. Sabi niya. So, doon ko na alam yun, paano mag-team. So, doon ako paano mag-team. Tapos, na alam namin na hindi pala maayos mag-team. Na alam ko ba hindi pala maayos mag-team. So, nag-ano ako dahil bad daw yan. Makakaanoy ng mga tao, mga players. Hindi pa rin siya tumigil sa pag-team kasi gusto niya manalo. So, ayun, nag-team siya sa isa niyang kaibigan kasi sabi niya i-unfriend niya daw ako kasi hindi na daw kami magka-team. So, ayun. Hacker yung bacon te. Hacker yung bacon. Ante, akin yun. Daming tao sa taas. So guys, I really need to stop this video now kasi it's been 8 minutes na. And tagal ko na nag-explain ko paano mag-team. So, I'm gonna stop this video. And I'm done playing in here. Because one of these shits. 100 na sila, oh. Napakasana all naman. Okay, so guys. Let me just peacefully gonna go to sleep because it's nearly 3 AM. So guys, bye. Teka. So bye guys. I love you so much.